Welcome to Chithi Amma's channel. Today I am going to make sweet pongal or Sakkarai Pongal. It is often made to offer to the gods on special occasions and festivals. I am making this Sakkarai Pongal today to celebrate two events. One to offer to God for this Navaratri festival and the other one is, well, let's see the ingredients to make this sweet rice first. Red raw rice, Moong dal, Jaggery, raisins, cashews, cardamom powder, ghee and coconut milk. Wash the rice and dal before adding. You can also roast the dal if you like it. Now add 1 cup rice, 1/4 cup moong dal, 3½ cup of water. Mix it and close the lid. Make sure the vent is in sealing position. Now select pressure cook or manual cook on high. Set time to 8 minutes. While that is getting cooked, let's prepare the jaggery water. Add ½ cup jaggery to 1/4 cup hot water. Mix well. Now heat the pan. Add 1 tablespoon ghee, ½ cup cashews and roast it a little bit. Add 1/4 cup raisins. Roast it for a few seconds and turn off the stove and add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. After about 12 minutes, you can press quick release or wait for the natural release. Make sure the float valve is down. Let's open the lid. It's all nicely cooked. Now select saute mode. Add the jaggery water and mix it. Now add about 1 cup coconut milk. You can reduce the coconut milk if you like it. And mix well. Now let's add the cashew and raisin. Mix it. Now select cancel on the IP. That's it. It's all done. Sweet rice or Sakkarai Pongal is ready. I didn't tell you the second reason for the celebration. The second reason is to share the joy of birth of a new grandniece. Another one to call me Chithi Amma. There are so many ways to make this sweet pongal and I'm showing a very basic way. And if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Chithi Amma.